Hello and welcome to another Wow Pow video review. Thank you, Sachiko. Today we're going to do more Chuhai drinks from Japan. I think we're on our 14th and we're getting a little sloshed. But now we're going to do the Kirin Chuhai, and this is going to be the sparkling Chardonnay flavor. And this is white grape or white Bordeaux flavor, but white grape or green grapes, whatever you want to say. And the good thing is it's 5% alcohol. Now this is the big can, and here you go if you want to read the instructions. But what's funky about this one is it's got little squares on it. I don't know if you can see that in the reflection. Now supposedly when you open the can, the squares pop out, which I'm going to do right now, and you're going to tell me if it happens. Let's take a look. Oh, let me get in better position. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Did you notice that? Omoshiroi. Did you see that? The cans, the squares pop out when you open it. Interesting. So I guess you can get better grip. Anyway, this is the Chardonnay, white wine Chardonnay flavor. By the way, Kirin makes the most famous brand and was one of the first Chuhai, was the first company to introduce Chuhai into Japan. So here you go, ladies. I'll pass it around. You know what? It smells like grape juice with, it smells like bubbly grape juice with alcohol. So let's try it. Nom, 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 actually not bad. It's better than the other drunk we've drunk. So come on guys, drink.
Okay.
All right, kampai. Wow, they finished the can. Okay, by the way, when we started, we only had small little glasses, but now everybody's filling them up. So, it's sweet. How is it though?
Champagne.
It's like champagne, isn't it?
Champagne.
It is. It's like, you know, it's like a cheap champagne. You know, Andre. Do you know Andre? I think that's like $1 or $2. It's about that level. It's like an Andre champagne. The bottle to a champagne bottle. Maybe you could sell more. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
I don't need to buy, but
you'll drink it.
As champagne.
Look at, and the squares really do stick out once you open the can. Omoshiroi.
That's entertaining.
That's the best. That's about the best part of this drink. But okay, thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, thumbs up. Mine's down. I don't like it, but sideways. So that's just a so-so on this one. We'll drink it if we have to, but we probably won't. Would you buy it again?
Sure.
You buy it?
No.
You guys just don't care. You just want more drinks. So, all right. Well, what the work we do for you. Anyway, thank you for the sponsorship. SodaSurf.com.